My name is Nicholas Stanley. I go by Nick, and I'm the project leader for the Hopper Mountain National Wildlife Refuge Complex, which is a total of 4 refuges in the Condor Recovery Program. I grew up kind of outdoorsy. My grandmother would take us fishing all the time as little kids. So we were always outside, and then we would just go on an adventure for the day. I'm a birder at heart. When we go to different places that I hadn't been before, I keep track of my life list. And birds I hadn't seen before, I make sure I go back to my original book and check them off whenever I get back home. I like birding because it gets you outside, out into nature. So just getting out into the sun, it helps center me, and it kind of reinvigorates the passion I have for wildlife. I just have a special place in my heart for sandhill crane. I really just fell in love with that bird, and that inspired me to write a book. So I wrote a children's book called Sandy's First Flight for ages like kindergarten to 5th grade. So I just fell in love with sandhill crane. I'm one of very few in this position. I was the only person of color that was a refuge manager for a long time, and now we're very diverse within the refuge. So that part is really exciting. Also hope that we can continue to diversify the workforce, and I know Fish and Wildlife Services is doing their best to continue moving that forward. It took me a while to get to that position where I was comfortable being the only person of color. I'm very comfortable in that position now. I can't understand how it can be intimidating. I think the next step is to remind people that the outdoor space is for everyone. It's not for one particular group over another. They're public lands for a reason. And so I think that's very important that the future birders, campers, fishers, they all know that just because you're the only one doesn't mean it's not for you. It just means you need to bring some more friends with you.